Lena, I'm going to ask you a question because you've kind of been, hands-on into this training that we have kind of set up for all of our franchises. You guys come out here. We kind of get to just kind of show you a visual view of kind of what it is that you'd be, doing when you guys go back. What is it that you can say that is different here about getting a CDL in New Jersey as opposed to what it would be in Arizona? Because I know you guys said there's a huge need, but what are like some of the other differences?
Maybe comparable in different aspects because you guys are a port city, but we are a southern border city. So we have a lot of trade and commerce coming across the southern border that's moved by truck and trailer.
Right.
Or we also have a lot of military units that those people need training, or they have training in basic things, and then they want a career field in the trucking industry to move equipment across the United States. I'd say they're comparable in certain aspects, but there are slight differences.
Okay, yeah.
There's a lot less honking in Arizona.
Yes.
I don't know. It seems
The
like
yellow
New
ones.
Jersey,
The yellow
we're
ones
a little
stop.
grumpier over there for some reason. I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Let me kind of ask you guys this as well. How would you guys say that you guys are planning to accommodate to Spanish-speaking individuals?
We've been really successful in the driving education business of like basically coming up with an ESL program from English to Spanish to help our multi-language people be successful. There's a huge need for it. A lot of our trucks go over our southern border, so there's multi-bilingual folks naturally down here, and we will innovate and come up with some different ideas to help. One of the challenges is that the tests are in English, and that's a federal requirement. But with our ESL practicing skills over the past 14 or 15 years, we're confident we can make our Spanish speakers successful.
Yeah, Lena, what made you guys choose Driving Academy? Like, what stood out about Driving Academy that you were like, yeah, we're going to open up a franchise with?
I would say there's a few things. Like, one, I was looking for somebody who had a proven history, and coming from driver's education to advancing into CDL, we needed expert knowledge, and Driving Academy provided that. The systems was another plus of what I was searching for. I needed something that was robust and student-centric, and that CDL drivers, when they completed the course, raved about, and that's what we found in Driving Academy.
Okay, so Mike, aside from Driving Academy, did you kind of dip your toe into other franchises or any other CDL schools, and kind of like what was the difference between those schools and Driving Academy?
I think for us, we're going to position ourselves in the market to be the leader. It might take a little bit of time to get there, but we have the ability to start students now. We have the ability with unbelievable 7-day-a-week schedule to accommodate any work-life balance, or some folks might want to keep their job and get their CDL, then transition out. Some people might want to be full-time. Some people might want their CDL as fast as they can. Like, we can accommodate everything. Right. So on top of that, which is even more important, is we're, the curriculum and the instruction that will be given is world-class. It's, where they're going to come out and be extremely employable and upgrade their lifestyle right away. And I think we have a huge niche in the market that's going to keep other CDL schools on their toes. We also have some things, too, that make people a little more comfortable. Like, we have the most advanced simulator out there. So if you haven't driven a big truck, you can come in and you can run over a couple signs and not hurt anybody. And we can teach you how to do it the right way.
Right.
There's some advantages that we have that are just going to be really hard for our competitors to compete with us.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.